So these are all of the silicone cups after we have made our project. I kept them all from the project. Now they're much easier to clean out if the resin in them is more than 24 hours old. If it's less than that, it's too soft. But see how right at the bottom, those pieces just come right out. But there are little bits on the side here, and you can take and pick them out, but this is the easiest way I have found to get those bits out. Duct tape. So I've tried painter's tape, I've tried packing tape. Easiest way is a chunk of duct tape, and I kind of messed it up already. But we're gonna take it around our finger, sticky side out, and we're just gonna go around the cup and press it into those really thin bits on the inside of the cup. And it's pretty much all clean. And I can even get some of the stuff that the drips from the outside with this as well. You may need an extra piece of tape or so, depending, but especially I find the colored resin's the easiest ones to clean out because you can see exactly where it is. But let's do one of these cups with the clear now. Actually, let's get the little disc out of the bottom first. And what you can't really see is this particular cup with the clear resin. There's all sorts of clear drips down the side. A little bit harder to see. So I do this to try to see if it makes them loosen up a little bit. And I'm going to take my piece of tape, wrap it around my fingers, sticky side out. And I'm going to go all the way around until it's completely clear. Obviously, I have to go right down to the bottom. So you're just going to keep doing this until there's absolutely no resin left in there. And the reason being is if you mix up a new batch of resin and there's those little dried bits in there, it'll affect your piece. You'll see it. It'll look like pieces of dust, but they're much harder to get out. You can get them out of the wet resin, but it's much easier to completely eliminate that possibility before it even starts. So there you go. Clean cup. And now I'm going to do the rest of them. One thing I forgot to mention is these silicone sticks, you can just pick the resin right off of them. Easier if you have nails. But yeah, the resin just picks right off of them nice and easily. I typically don't worry about the handle too much because it doesn't really go into the resin cups when I'm stirring. I only concentrate on the part that's going to go right into the cup while I am stirring it. There you go. A little bit right there. All done.